is beautiful when you know where to look, when you pause and notice the small miracles, when you breathe and appreciate the simple things. Life is beautiful.